What's up, you guys? This is going to be the radio bezel painting video. I'm here in my driveway. As you can see, I don't have a garage. We just moved here a couple months ago, and I lost the garage from the other house, which sucked because it was a 2-car and it was pretty good. Hoopty's right over there. She's sitting in the street because we drive the cruise during the weekend. She gets parked. But yeah, I want to paint the radio bezel before I put the new radio in. And I kind of want it to match the headliner a little bit. So I'm hoping it doesn't clash and it doesn't look too bad. But it should look pretty good. These are all the colors that I picked out. I went to Lowe's today and I got a bunch of colors that are all kind of match the headliner a little bit. We've got, you know, an orange, a yellow, a blue, a purple. That is purple. I don't know if you could tell. It's pretty bright. Then I just got white to kind of like just fleck on there, so like stars. So let's go. Alright, you guys, I'm done painting it. It looks pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with it. A lot of the white did kind of like splatter a little too much, so I had to go back over it with different colors. So they're a little bit faded, but I mean, it looks pretty decent. I'm gonna let it cure for harden up and dry for about 10-15 minutes, and I will show it to you guys. Then, that's what I was trying to say. I don't know what the hell I even said. It's been a long day, so I'll see you guys in about 10-15 minutes. Alright, you guys, I let it dry overnight, and I took it inside so it didn't get crap all over it. But I like how it came out. I'm excited to show you guys, and then we're going to do the most satisfying thing of all, and that is getting all that tape. Here, I'll just show you right now. It came out pretty well. I mean, the splatter's there. I've got all the splatter done. It looks pretty good. But we're going to need to take this tape off, all this tape off, and then the most satisfying part is going to be peeling off all of that. And I cannot wait to do that. It's going to be so amazing. It's so satisfying. So let's get to it. It's gonna look so good. Can't wait. I guess I can just kind of try to shove this out through here. Problem. The black piece with all of the markings on it for the climate control came off with the tape, which isn't good. Unless I can, oh, I can, okay. It is coming off of that. So I'm going to have to slowly peel this back. And then get it to re-stick. That's working. My tape job wasn't the best up here. See if you guys can see it up here, right up there, up in here. It's probably not focusing. But it's all like tape right here. This part came up, but I mean, it looks pretty good. I'm okay with that. Now the fun part. All up here. All up there. This is going to be cool. So let's see if I can't get it to focus. Alright, you guys, before this next part starts, I want to apologize. I'm a little irritated that it got screwed up. I didn't realize that the angle I had the camera down, my hands were going to be in the way when I was peeling that the tape off. So I will apologize now. You're not going to be able to see the tape coming up because my fat hands are in the way, and I'm irritated about it. That was the like highlight of the video that I felt like, and I completely screwed it up. I screwed up the shot. I screwed up everything, and I apologize, but it still looks pretty good. I'm excited. I'm too excited. I'm a little shaky. Oh, this looks so good. Oh, yes, that looks amazing. I'm so happy with that. So I think that's going to be it for this one. The next episode is going to be actually installing the radio and the bezel and all of that. So that should come out, I don't know, later this week at some point. Depends on when I upload this. I've got a couple days to edit it, so should be alright. But yeah, I'm hoping to have that all installed here pretty soon, and we can have some different tunes other than the radio in the car. I'm looking forward to that. I can't. I'm still excited at how this looks. It looks so good. It's, oh, God, I can't. It's exactly how I wanted it. So that's awesome. That's it for this video, I guess. And I will see you guys on the next one when we put the radio in. So I'll see you then.